Hello and good morning. I just read a headline. Olympic legend Greg Louganis sells medals to help fund move to Panama. Quote, I needed the money. Anyway, I'm up in north central to northwest Arizona, and at the other corner of the state, down in Tucson area, all the way over to El Paso, they're talking about the idea of Hurricane Lorena coming up through Baja and creating flooding. And so because of that, the news is all about flooding potential, even though now there's no rain in the forecast. And I mean, I'm looking at the sky out there. Let's go check out the clouds. Yeah, they're striping and I mean, there's just more blue up here than is gonna bring rain. But then there's a big stripe back there. Yesterday, that big stripe of moisture in the air, that would be like A+, sign of rain building. Today, it's a sign of rain trying to build and dissipating. Okay, now it's approaching noon, and yeah, it's gone. There's a little bit of rain cloud over there, but the general shape of the day is we're back in a desert forest on a normal hot September day. So the flood warnings earlier said 11 to 11 p.m. I'm just gonna keep hanging out. It's still substantial. You can feel the cool air moving too. So don't know what that means, but usually it means there's rain-making capability when it feels like there's a cool undercurrent moving through the air. Should give cool undercurrent moving through the air, like at waist level, kind of. Usually means rain's gonna come. Well, there you go. It's a little after 1, and check it out. To this side, it's the morning that we had, but man, as it shifted, I've just been inside researching a different interest. But anyway, it says thunderstorms and heavy rain in 4 minutes. It's closing in for sure over this house. But I've just been here. I haven't done any watering since last night. And I think that was a good call. It's certainly got juice and wings right now. It's beautiful. Okay, it's 1:40 and the rain's just starting to pitter-pat fall here. You can see it's the opening over there still. Oh, it's so nice. It's just so, at the moment, so soft and gentle. It smells amazing. I'm going to the grocery store to get some soda and have a look at the park and just kind of, man, be blown away by what's happening. This is monsoon, like the old days, I believe. Absolutely gorgeous fog rain. It's going. Just nice and light, but legit rain. That rock over there, if nothing else, connects us directly to what people call deep time, geologic time. Right there. All right, 1:54 p.m. So far so good. We're getting heavier rain now. Got my soda, and so we got the super extra. This was in the forecast, went all the way out of the forecast. Here it is. You can see still breaks way over there in the distance. That's a dome over the town. I'm back at the park. I watered yesterday on that tree. And this tree, this was the 300 gallon and 200 gallon. And we got rain in the middle of the process. And then last night I came back and did these two trees. And now it's just like an epicenter of gentle rain here. You can see how green it is. I mean, it really looks like we're in the Pacific Northwest. Fantastic. It's still moving in globs. Anyway, you know, just like so far, so very, very good. May that please continue. Glad I didn't water this morning. Sure didn't need to. In terms of trying to bring rain. Would have been good for dehydration, but you know. Got the main idea. Yeah, those are my two from last night. Nice to see them in the daylight. All right, hi, it's about 2:45. I'm back at the Airbnb. Feels chilly, like winter. And this morning it did not. So, okay, good things, gentle rain. Definitely not fire prone out here anymore. And then the last thing to say is that the entire 5-state area, Utah, Nevada, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico, are getting rain right now. It's crazy how great things are going. Gentle moisture, rehydrating the lands.